What if I told you I let AI write my blog and it made me real money? Not pennies, but actual income from articles I didn't even write myself. We're living in a wild time where AI tools are insanely powerful. If you know how to use them, you can build incredible things. So I put this to the test. Could I build a passive income stream using only AI? I tracked every step, every tool, and every dollar that came in. This is a repeatable process you can follow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I used AI to write, optimize, and monetize a blog post and how much it earned. Let's dive in. The first step is picking the right topic. Even the best article won't earn a dime if no one's searching for it. The goal: high search volume, low competition. That's the sweet spot. I asked ChatGPT for 20 tech blog ideas with high affiliate potential. One stood out: best portable monitors for laptops. But I needed data, not just a hunch. I plugged the keyword into Ubersuggest to check search volume and difficulty. The results? Thousands of monthly searches and low competition, a perfect opportunity. I double-checked with Google Trends. The interest in portable monitors is steadily rising. People are working remotely, needing more screen space on the go. The demand is growing. This wasn't a fad, it was a solid growing market. With the topic validated, I was ready to move forward. The foundation was set. Now, let's build the article. Transition to next scene. Time for the AI to do the heavy lifting. I gave ChatGPT a detailed prompt. Write a 2,500-word blog post titled, "The 7 Best Portable Monitors for Laptops." Include pros, cons, and key features for each. In under a minute, ChatGPT delivered a well-structured, readable article. But AI isn't perfect. It sometimes invents details or gets specs wrong. That's where the human touch matters. I spent 30 minutes editing, fact-checking specs on Amazon, and running the text through Grammarly. This step builds trust and ensures real value. Next, I monetized, and I grabbed my Amazon affiliate links for each product and added them to the article. Now, when someone clicks and buys, I earn a commission. The article was written, polished, and ready to make money. The engine was built. A great article is useless if no one finds it. Enter SEO. I used Surfer SEO to analyze top-ranking pages for best portable monitors. It gave me a checklist, word count, related keywords, headings, images. My article scored 65 out of 100. Surfer suggested keywords like second screen for laptop and USB-C monitor. I naturally wove these into the article, boosting the score to 92. Finally, I crafted a compelling meta title and description to stand out in Google results. This optimization turns a good article into a traffic magnet. Now, it's time to publish and promote. With the article optimized, I published it on my WordPress blog using Rank Math for a final SEO check. I added high-quality images and set a featured image for social sharing. But publishing isn't enough. You have to promote. I shared the link on my social media with an engaging question to spark clicks. On Reddit, I found relevant subreddits and answered questions, sharing my article only when it added value. Then I repurposed the content, made a Pinterest graphic, a YouTube short, a TikTok video, and a Twitter thread, all linking back to the blog post. This web of content funneled traffic to my monetized article. Work smarter, not harder. Transition to results. The moment of truth: did it actually make money? In the first 30 days, the article got 247 affiliate link clicks and 14 purchases. Not just monitors, but anything bought after clicking. Amazon affiliate commissions, $112.54. Google AdSense from 3,000 plus page views, $58.17. Total for the first month, $170.71. All from one article, about an hour of active work, and zero upfront cost. This article is now a digital asset, earning month after month as its SEO ranking grows. It's digital real estate, a tiny money machine I built in an hour. And this is just the beginning. $170 from one article is proof the system works. But what if you scale? Imagine publishing 20 articles in a month, potentially $3,400 per month if each performs similarly. To scale, consider investing in premium tools for faster research and better AI output. You can even outsource article generation or editing as revenue grows. Focus on high-level strategy, finding new niches, and expanding your digital empire. This is about using AI to build systems that create freedom. The single article was just the experiment. Now build the whole factory. The opportunity is massive and we're just getting started. That's the playbook, from idea to income-generating asset, all powered by AI. Anyone willing to learn can build these digital assets. You don't need to be a pro writer or SEO genius. Just follow the process, use the tools, and focus on real value. Recap. Used ChatGPT, optimized with Surfer SEO and Rank Math, added affiliate links, promoted everywhere, and earned $170 plus in the first month. This isn't magic, it's automation. If you found this helpful, comment below and subscribe for more on making money with AI. This is Automation Income, turning screen time into income time. See you in the next one.